Hi guys, and welcome back for a very quick August plot tour. So as you can see, the runner beans are starting to run up the archway. I haven't seen any sign of any beans yet, but there's plenty of flowers come on these. These were planted quite late, so hopefully they'll get going. The wild onions and garlic varieties down the front seem to be picked up and doing really well as well. These have definitely thickened out and are standing up straight now, and they're definitely looking healthier, as are the Welsh onions a bit further down. This area, sorry, let's move the ribbon. This area is looking like a jungle. So the goji berries have just put on so much growth, and I'm trying to train them up the trellis. I might need to extend it up higher, as of the tayberries, which I'm going to need to put some of these new stems into the trellis work as well. The lemon balm here is about to be cut back and dehydrated for teas, and the two varieties of sorrel down the front are doing phenomenally well, and those go really well in my mixed salads. So if we come in, we've had so many strawberries off this lot already, and there's more again coming through. These beasts have absolutely taken off, and you can see the thistle heads. These are globe artichokes, so they're a variety of thistle where the flower is actually edible, and you can see them coming through there. So I've got three different plants. This one in the middle is actually a completely different variety, and I don't see any heads on that one yet. You can see here, these are the globe artichoke heads and a little bed. The raspberries are still performing, but they've definitely slowed down. Gooseberry's looking a bit sorry for itself. The mulberry and this little bush here haven't really done anything this year, but the blueberry bush has put on a show of blueberries, which are all ripening now. And all of the asparagus crowns have come up now, so there's absolutely tons of asparagus going on in there. And this rhubarb's really taken off, so I'm going to have harvesting a few stems off that later on today. This spinach is all bolted and is going to come out now, but this was planted in the summer, and really I've understood since then that maybe it's not the best thing to plant during the summer because it immediately bolts. Here's the tomato bed, and this definitely needs thinning out, so I'm going to do some pruning and get rid of some of the branches lower down and things to prevent it from getting mildew or anything of that ilk, and make sure that it's getting good air circulation around. It's put on plenty of sets of tomatoes. The carrots and beetroot in this bed, so we've got rainbow carrots and orange carrots and beetroot, and they're all really flushed out. Spring onions have all thickened up, and the mixed salad leaves are all definitely over ready for harvest. I've not been very well recently, so harvesting hasn't been as regular as it could have been. The yellow tomato has put on lots of sets, but again this probably needs a bit of a prune. We've already had one cucumber off here, but you can see it's absolutely putting loads more on, so I've just given this a bit of a trim and restaked it so that it's got lots of airflow and looking healthy. The peas are all finished now, so I'm going to take the pea plants out. You can see they're getting a bit powdery mildew and so on. We've got green beans all around, and they've been producing like mad. Over here we've got a pumpkin patch, and you can see the fruits beginning to set on those. We've got 5 pumpkin plants down this stretch here, and they're all putting on fruit now. They've all got lots of flowers on and all putting on fruit, and there's a few blackcurrant bushes and some gooseberry bushes around the edges of this pumpkin patch as well, which are all in their first year, so we're not expecting anything from them. They're just in and producing. And then we've got some pallets here that are all waiting, being turned into some more raised beds. So that's it, just a quick August update of the plot. hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, it really does help. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.